This video teaches you how to place a symbol in a Microsoft Word document. Open Microsoft Word document. Place your cursor where you want to insert the symbol and click. This will set that location as the point at which your symbol will be inserted. Click the Insert tab. Click Symbol. This option is on the far right side of the Insert toolbar. Doing so prompts a drop-down menu. Click More Symbols. It's at the bottom of the drop-down menu. This opens the symbol pop-up window. You can also click the Special Characters tab at the top of the symbol window to browse additional characters. You can scroll through the available symbols by clicking the up or down arrows on the right side of the symbol window. Search a symbol through the character code. Select a symbol to insert. Simply click a symbol to select it. Click Insert. This button is at the bottom of the symbol window. Doing this will insert the selected symbol at the cursor's point. You can repeat this process with as many symbols as you like. Click Close. It's at the bottom of the symbol window. Your symbol as will remain in the Microsoft Word document. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.